Hey guys, it's St. Patrick's Day and we're gonna flush Lucky Charms. 2 boxes of 23 ounce. Let's get this bowl filled up. Huh. They really are magically delicious. We're getting ready for flush 1. How many flushes do you think it'll take? Pause the video and put in the comments below. Let's flush. It took some of it. If you guess it'll take 1 flush, you're wrong. Flush 2. That was so close. For those of you who gets 2 flushes, you are also wrong. It left 11 floaters. There's no need for another flush. We're gonna end the video. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe. And see you guys in the next video. Happy St. Patrick's Day. Yeah.